This video will teach you how to write objectives and key results that rival the best in the business. We will cover common mistakes, examples, and tips that you can implement today. Now, OKRs can either inspire your teams if you design them well, or create massive amounts of discontent if you write them poorly. In case you aren't familiar with the term, objectives are the high-level goals that your organization is trying to achieve, and key results are the measurements or outcomes that will lead you to achieving the objective. The first thing that should be in your mind when you are building OKRs is that the whole point is to align and motivate teams. OKRs also allow you to measure progress, which is great, but measurements are nothing without motivation. Now, a more challenging OKR tends to be more inspiring, up until the point where it is seen as impossible, at which point it becomes deflating. Objectives are always time-bound and are typically set quarterly, but that doesn't mean your objectives should only span a single quarter. For example, YouTube set an objective to hit 1 billion hours of views per day within 4 years, and it was a massive success. Here are a few examples of an objective to illustrate these points and some common mistakes. Number 1, build a consulting company. This is bad because it is vague and there is no way to claim success. Number 2, build a $100 million per year consulting company. This is better because we can claim success, but it's still not perfect. And number 3, build a $100 million per year consulting company by the end of 2025. Now this has a clear target, it's challenging, and it has a deadline, but it could still be improved by adding a better purpose. And number 4, build the most effective consulting company in the world by the end of 2025. Now this one's not quite perfect because it is a potentially moving target, but to me, it's more inspiring and it aligns very well with the mission of my organization, which is why this is my primary OKR. Now, as you write OKRs, it's okay to iterate. It's also helpful to have a coach or someone outside of your organization provide a detached perspective. Now, I happen to know a pretty good company if you want some help. You can also get a copy of our free OKR guide using the link in the description, which provides a deeper dive and some additional tips for writing OKRs. For instance, when you're writing your key results, I recommend writing them as achievements, which are nouns, and not actions, which are verbs. I also recommend including a target number. This will help you ensure that you're writing key results and not tasks. Key results that are actually tasks can be highly demotivating and kill creativity and innovation because they remove the team's flexibility and ownership over the results. For maximum engagement, the teams doing the work should be responsible for developing the plan and the tasks, and those should remain flexible throughout the quarter. Here are the key results that I used for my objective of building the most effective consulting company in the world by the end of 2025. And number 1, 100 plus clients. Number 2, 5,000 plus people impacted. Number 3, maintain a minimum of 500% average performance increase. Number 4, maintain a 95% or higher client success rate. These results provide additional clarity for the objective and can easily be broken down into quarterly milestones because they are all measurements and results, not actions, all of which will make the OKR more motivating. As you put everything together, also remember that 1, you should have no more than 3 objectives for a given team or department. Number 2, each objective should have no more than 5 results. Number 3, your OKR should start at the top of your organization. If they don't, you will have a mess. There's so much more that I want to talk about here, but in the interest of keeping this video short, we have the free guide I mentioned earlier, which you can download with the link below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe and ring the bell to make sure you get all the latest content.